So the supplements would include information about the entertainment world from movies, music, and the local happenings of the city, like the concerts or the dance programs and so on. The newspapers always have special supplements at the end of the year or at the end of the week. Sometimes they carry interviews of great people, of artists, right? And at the end of the year, they will carry, what usually people are very, very interested about, to know the horoscopes, right? So, end of the year, they publish a special kind of supplements along with the newspaper. So all of you have understood what is a supplement. That is something that is added. And so moving on, it is said here that newspapers are considered as the fourth pillar of democracy. Now all of you know what is democracy. The power of people, correct? So each pillar has an important role to play. Now one of the pillars is media or the newspapers, because they give us information about things happening around the world, around the country. The other three pillars I would just like to mention, though I'll not go into detail. The other three pillars include the legislature, the judiciary, and the executive. And you should be reminded of your history and civics of the previous standard. Yes, in 8th standard we have covered all this. So you can now understand better that democracy has 4 pillars. All right. After understanding the newspapers and their contribution, we go on to the Press Trust of India. It was established around 1947, but after 1953 it started having it was considered as an important source for primary details of all important events and of articles on important subjects and so on. Okay, so this Press Trust of India is a news agency and they report on various events, whether the issues like financial and scientific and so on. During the 1990s, the PTI started using the satellite broadcast. Now, all of you are aware that once the satellite broadcast started, we also had started getting so many channels. Earlier, it was only 1 or 2 channels we used to get, but after 1990s there was a change in the policies that were taken. So what happened was the channels providing us information, separate news channels and so on started. So they used to use instead of teleprinters, usually the other countries and all would use teleprinters to send news all over the country. Now it is a device. A teleprinter is like, you can imagine a big screen in front and a keyboard types in front of you. So what used to happen is people used to transmit messages through this. So when they would punch in the keys, just like how a computer works, these messages used to get transmitted, and that is how information was passed on. But since it is physically was not possible, slowly they started using the new technologies like the satellites, and of course after the internet came in, all these other things are now put aside. This material is important for writing the history of modern India, because it shows how we have developed from when we were under the clutches of the British to the time when we are able to depend on our own technology and our own knowledge to not just transmit news or spread information, but also run successfully as a democratic country.